Hello again, all my crafty friends. I wanted to come on today and show you how you could make some ephemera with your punches and some scraps. I have plenty of scraps, trust me. I'm going to go ahead and set the clock for 10 minutes just to give us a reference that we don't have to be in here a long time. And I have all my punches out here. I have 2 label punches. I have a Mickey Mouse punch. I have the banner detail punch. I have some embossing powder, my embossing buddy, some stamp colors, garden green and cherry cobbler, and of course my scraps. So let's go ahead and get started and see what we can create. Okay, I'm going to make some labels. First, we can use white, we can use green, we can use red. And then I'll just pick a stamp that fits the label. You can do it the other way, of course. You can stamp first and then cut. But I think this is a good way to, just if you only have a few minutes. Okay, there's that one. And let's do some red. Let's do some red in the other one. I think I got this punch from Michelle Wright. I was part of her live chat that day, and she picked my name. Okay. And to get in, you want to tear this off so you can get to this and get one more out of it. Okay, so we've got plenty of those. Let's go on to, let's do some Mickey Mouse. Okay, I've got this. This is from Echo Park. I've had it for years. And this one punch makes several sizes. So if you want to make a Christmas card for a Disney fan, I think this would be perfect. My boyfriend loves Disney. They just fly everywhere. Okay, there's some of those. Alright. Or, because this is red, we could put a smaller there goes my cat again. Okay, so let's make a banner, a fishtail banner. I just happen to have a piece of gold here that fits. Okay, that'll look good on a card. And we also have a star punch. So let's make some gold stars for the top of our Christmas trees. so there's those. We can also make silver ones. We've got so many different options here. Okay, gold, silver. Okay, let's make some more. Let's punch out some green labels. Since I had a big enough piece, we'll go ahead and do that. I can use either white detail embossing powder or gold, or I could do tone on tone. I don't know how well that will show up, but we can certainly try it. Okay. Okay, so we have a little bit of everything here. And I have several stamps to choose from. Here's one I made before. Okay, where did I put my... It was the night before Christmas. Let's try on the white pieces here. Sometimes it doesn't want to stick very well. Really? I don't know if that's going to work very well. It came off right before. There. It's not bad. Oh, that's even better. That first one got a little bit smudged. Okay. And now let's try another one. Cobbler. I like traditional colors. I will go blue and silver, or purple and gold. Oh, this is not wanting to stick. Okay, let's try that. But generally I like the traditional colors. Gold, yeah. I can take one of these really tiny Mickey Mouse. Oh, there's our 10 minutes. Okay. Well, in about 10 minutes, you can get some stuff cut out and you can get started on making some ephemera. For, in this case, for Christmas cards for me, anyway. But yeah. So don't think you don't have time, because getting in here for just 10 minutes can make such a difference. Okay, so I will see you really soon with another video, probably 3:30. It's coming up next. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.